Okay, hello. My resource is this teacher tools from dreambox.com. And so it's got a lot of different areas that you could work with kiddos. So all the way from number sense to geometry, division, subtracting, all kinds of things from kindergarten all the way to 8th grade. And then one of the things that I really like to focus on is the younger kids, of course. So kindergarten and 1st grade. And number sense is one of my targeted areas, so I really liked looking at some of these. So numbers to 20 on the 10 frame. So here's your 10 frame. And then a math rack. So it shows you different things. So here's your racks, here's your number frame, and just being able to use those in pattern and develop counting for kids. So I also like, my favorite thing I guess is more so than the teacher tools is the videos. So when you go down here, it talks about how you can use this computer lab, which is kind of nice for some of those teachers that need extra things to do when their kids have time at the end of the computer lab time. You can use it as a learning rotation station or center time, like an independent group time. And how to differentiate your instruction too, which I always think is great for kids or for teachers to know how to do that for students. And then just other videos that I think are just good for teachers to know, like, I don't know, it's always good, I feel like, for us to continue to progress and always try to do different things and learn as much as we can about it. Teaching math or teaching any certain subject area. And then of course there's webinars too. So if you're talking about STEM in your buildings, if you're using data, just different ways to grow your schools and help with ideas. And then of course blogs and more topics for teachers to discuss. Let's go back here, I guess. I want to go back to videos. You can also go back up here and pick your topic. So if it's just math learning, maybe you've got a student who's really high achieving or a higher level learner, you can get enrichment, you can intervene. So just different things like that. Personalized learning. And then I also like this, the student-driven learning. So when you click on the student-driven learning, and then it's different things that the students can do. Excuse me, gotta apply it. Different videos. I thought there was one here. Is that just down on the blog? Yep, just down on a blog for that, I guess. But I thought there was a video earlier. Maybe they rotate those out. I guess long story short, that's kind of the reason I like it. As far as standards that go along with this, you know, the kindergarten standards up here. This is 1st grade. And then kindergarten up here. So both basically are the same. Number sense, students communicate numbers and concepts. In kindergarten, it's that they will be exposed to numbers 1 through 110, 120, or be able to count to that or be exposed to it. In kindergarten, you're actually being able to, or in 1st grade, you're counting by 1s and 10s. In kindergarten, you're counting by 1s and 10s to 100 and reading and writing those numbers as far as you can. I think it's exposure is what the way it reads for kindergarten, but for 1st grade, it's actually doing the work. So this is my resource. I really like it. I've never heard of it, but I think it'd be really beneficial for kindergarten and 1st grade teachers especially. But, you know, like I said, goes all the way up to 8th grade. So I think it's just a really good resource for teachers and maybe even parents to use at home too. So I'm going to log back out here and use it as you need to. So, and like I said, the videos was one of my favorite things as an educator, just to always progress and become better at what we're doing. So, all right, thanks guys.